So we also have some policies that we implemented during a disaster. You can see we implemented these after Ida in 2021. So, first thing first is we want to make sure that at the end of the day, the personal safety of our team is more important than anything else, right? If our We don't want to put our business first, is what that means. So we want to make sure that it's clear to people, and as a reminder to myself that during that storm, our team comes first. We actually allow team members to borrow from future PTO during a storm so that they can make up for that lost time. And then, after the fact, we have analyzed before, hey, do we want to not deduct that PTO? We'll just let people take off. Honestly, that really just depends. And then as an attorney who works remotely, now I make an effort to evacuate because that way I'm not in the middle of the disaster area. During Ida, I was able to evacuate and was relatively safe in North Alabama and was able to continue to work and respond to clients. Whereas the teammates who stayed in New Orleans didn't have electricity, were completely disconnected. And so actually being in a place that was not impacted by the storm was very useful for me as a knowledge worker. So, anyone else in a similar profession where you work from home, you might want to consider simply evacuating so that you can keep an eye on things. Because if you're here, you're going to be dealing with the power issues and the other kind of issues that come with the disaster itself.